5 business to start with zero capital. This business don't require any amount of money that you need to before you can start it. So follow to the end. You haven't subscribed and like this video. Let's go to the first one is real estate or housing agent. You stand as an agent, a middleman between house owners and people who want a place to rent. So what you will do is you go out to your community, reach out to house owners, talk to them that this is the business that you are doing. You look for people who have a place for rent, and then you look for people who need a place to rent. Then you get the person, make the house owners understand that you are not going to take money from them. So your money is between you and the person who needed the place to rent. Then you go out there and tell the person, or before you brought the person to the place, you charge the person. So you can set your budget like 50 cedis per person. So before you go out and introduce the person to the place out there, you have already taken your money before the person or can see the place. So whether the person will take the place or not, you have received your money. So that's one most important business that you can start. And this one, you don't need to have any capital. All that you need is what? To get the place and get a person who needed a place. And we know today's era, we have a lot of people who needed a place to rent. So you can do that one and start making money from it. This one, you can even charge more than 50 cedis, and it depends on the location, it depends on the area. And it's not only housing. You can get people who have a plot of land to sell, get people who have a space for rent for shops and stuff. You can get that one and start making money from it. I know a friend who have started it and he is making a lot of money every day from this. So start it now. Point 2 is home teaching. When we talk of home teaching or home teacher, you are a graduate or you have completed SHS. You are in the house without working or doing anything. Don't sit there and wait for a person to employ you in his or her business. You can start your own by being a teacher. Being a teacher is that you go to the houses. We have some kids out there or children who are in school. Their parents want a teacher who can teach them after school. So you can set it like you start from, let's say, 5 to 6, like 1 hour lesson that you train these kids, and you can take 2 CDs per person on every day. So let's say you take 2 CD from each chart for every day, 1 week or 5 days of the week. From Monday to Friday will be 10 CD from every chart. So if you calculate it and the children are like 10, you'll be making 400 CDs per month from every chart. So you can start this. The thing is, if you have the knowledge and you can teach and you understand how to teach, either you speak English or the subject that you are good at, and you start training these kids, can make money from it. And now we are in the tech era. So if you have your laptop, you can tell this parent that you're going to teach these kids on ICT. Then you get an ICT course and you start training these kids that you cannot start making money from it. That's also free, that you don't need to require any amount of money before you can start. So start that one also too. The next is laundry service or laundry business. When we talk of laundry business, a lot of people think that you need a washing machine before you can start laundry business, and people also feel shy to do that. The reason is that we get people who are busy every time and they want people who also are ready to wash their clothing and other stuff for them. So if you're someone and you are in the house, you're not having or getting any money or without working, you can pick that as a job, and then you go to houses, talk to them that this is the business that you are doing. You get their dirty clothes and then you wash it for them. So you can charge per cloth, or you set your own budget. You can say 5 clothes I charge at this and 2 clothes I charge at this. So when you do that, one thing is they are going to give you money for and soap and other stuff before you start the business. After you have completed the work, then you take your money. As a starter, don't go for a washing machine, go for space and stuff. You can do it at the person's house, and then after everything is complete, then you give the work to them. When you are making money and you are progressing, you can get your own space. That time you have get your customers, and these customers will also bring their work to you at your place. That time you can get your washing machine that you'll be using for that one. So that one also is a very good business, and you can start it right now without investing or putting out even a peswa from it. Number 4 is MC. If you are someone who can speak in public, you don't feel shy, you talk in public, and you are good in communication, you can do this start. How to do that? Every week or Saturdays and Sundays, there are so many programs that go out there. So to start a small, you can go and see a DJ or someone who has machine that they use in praying in public space and programs and stuff. Talk to them that you can speak, you can talk, you can start this MC work with a person. Then you start it. If there's a funeral and you go out there on the Saturday, on Sunday too, you do it, you charge your money, you get your money. One interesting is you get a free food from that program too. So that day your job money will be safe, but you will still charge after your work or after your service. Number 5 is pre-order business. When we talk of pre-order business, it's a business model whereby you will be showing people some product. For instance, if I have this pen and I want to sell this pen, or someone is looking for to buy a pen like this, but the person don't know where to get the pen, or even the person know where to get the pen, but you go to the shop owner, talk to the shop owner, then you get the product. You take a picture of this product, start posting it on your social media account, your WhatsApp status and stuff. When someone is interested in the product, you go to the shop, you get the product, you come and give the product to the person, and then you add your capital on it, or you add something small on it, then you deliver the product to the person, then you get your money back. So for instance, if this pen is if we sell this pen at let's say it's 1 cedi, then you add 50 pesos to it, it will be 1 cedi 50 pesos. So you are going to give the shop owner the 1 cedi, then you keep the 50 pesos for yourself. That means you are benefit from it. And these days, the pre-order business, we mostly think about importing from China and stuff, but there are so many platforms that you can use to do this pre-order business. Last time I made a video on how to start a pre-order or affiliate marketing on Jumia. You can do that one by getting your commission when someone buy from you, and through the Jumia platform, you are not going to do anything. All that you have is what to order the product, they're going to deliver to the person, they make their payment, then you get your commission from it. And you can start doing some of the things from China, but for the China, you need someone to train you on how to go about it, so that you'll be hot. Stay away from those scammers that will scam you and take your money, and then how you can deal with shipping companies and stuff. So that's another golden opportunity from it. I have a bonus, and this bonus is by starting a YouTube or a Facebook page. You start a YouTube channel or a Facebook page. This one is a gradual process, and it's not get quick or get rich quick. It's a gradual process. You can even like to show your face, or you can stay off to camera but just put in your voice. Last time I made a video on how to use other people's video on YouTube and Facebook, or other people content on YouTube and Facebook. You can check that one and start applying it. Create your own page and start giving out your ideas, your skills, your knowledge to people. When they watch it and you reach the requirement for monetization, YouTube will pay you. From YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers. From YouTube, you need 400 watch hours. And for this using or reuse content, you can start picking from TikTok content, and then you make a commentary about it. After doing that, you start posting it, you'll be making money from it. So these are the bonus tips that I have for you, and these are the 5 main points: starting a housing or real estate agent, starting a home teacher, become a home teacher, and then the next one is laundry service, and then we have MC, and then we have pre-order business. Then the last one is starting a YouTube or Facebook page that will start paying you. For the YouTube and the Facebook page, all that you need is just get your phone. If you have a smartphone, you have everything that you need. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like the video, share to others also to enjoy from it. If you want part 2 of this video, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.